Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Guide Hub. Today I'm back with a short video on how to log into Instacart, which is very easy and has only few steps. Now let's get into it. First of all, open a new tab on the browser. Then on the search bar, type instacart.com. Then look for the login option. Here it is located on the top right corner. Click on it. Now enter your email. Click on continue. Now wait for the verification code. Enter the verification code that was sent to your email address. And with that, you are automatically logged into your Instacart account. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and stay tuned for more.